Have you heard about ASMR? Do you know what it is? Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you about important trending topic ASMR that has reached millions of people, so stay tuned and subscribe to Knowledge Builder. What is ASMR? ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It describes the sensation you may get from certain stimuli including sounds, visuals, or even close contact with another person, whether in person or online. People who experience ASMR say it feels like a tingling that starts on the head and moves down the back of the neck and sometimes to the rest of the body. Other people describe it as a calm feeling that washes over their bodies starting on the scalp and moving downward. Researcher Dr. Julia Porio, trusted source, explains that the following audiovisual stimuli, also known as triggers, may produce ASMR: whispering or speaking softly, tapping, scratching, or crinkling sounds, slow hand movements, repetitive tasks, close personal attention. The basics of ASMR video. ASMR videos range in length from 15 minutes to 4 hours, but most are between 20 and 40 minutes long. Unlike most video entertainment, the goal is to relax viewers and put them to sleep. Therefore, the only absolute rule is that movement in the frame be slow and deliberate, and audio be quiet and smooth. You can talk about anything, read a book, whisper unintelligibly, brush a doll's hair, even eat messy food in close-up. You just have to do it slowly and deliberately and avoid making any loud noises. Can ASMR help you sleep? ASMR is associated with feelings of relaxation and calm, so it's only natural to expect that it may help people with sleep issues. Beginning research in this area shows that ASMR may induce the brain signals, brainwaves, that are needed for sleep, while keeping a person relaxed and receptive to rest. In one 2015 study, trusted source, researchers surveyed people about their use of ASMR, and sleep came up for a whopping 82% of participants. And while more study is needed, anecdotal evidence also suggests that it may indeed help you drift off to dreamland. Can ASMR help with headaches? The most common trusted source type of headache is the tension headache. As the name implies, tension headaches are caused by stress or tight muscles in the head and neck. While various studies trusted source mention that ASMR may help with headaches, there isn't yet a dedicated study that looks at the direct relationship between them. For now, consider drinking a tall glass of water, trying over-the-counter pain relievers, and then switching on an ASMR video to see if it helps. How did ASMR become a sensation? As discussed by researcher Porio, trusted source, ASMR started gaining some interest in the mid-2000s. By 2009, a YouTube user named Whispering Life started creating whisper videos because she herself found that listening to people whisper was relaxing. In 2011, a subreddit forum called ASMR Sounds That Feel Good was created that continued to draw more fans of the genre. Fast forward to 2016, and Whispering Life had well over 500,000 subscribers and 15 million video views. More channels had popped up during this time and moved well beyond whispering to whole buffets of audiovisual stimuli intended to give people the tingles. It has continued to build in popularity ever since. If you are enjoying my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. How big is ASMR, really? It's fair to say ASMR is now pretty big. There are dozens of videos with more than 1 million views and multiple channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. The main subreddit dedicated to it, ASMR, has more than 130,000 subscribers. The New York Times, Washington Post, and BuzzFeed have covered it. College Humor even satirized it, which is actually a great ASMR video on top of being funny. 14 ASMR triggers for anxiety relief, sleep, and more. 1. Sounds. Exactly what they sound like, these noises are often soft and designed to give you the ultimate relaxing experience. 2. Whispering. One of the most common ASMR triggers, gentle whispering can result in feelings of calmness and relaxation, as a recent study trusted source noted. Some say the simple sound, which involves someone whispering slowly into a microphone, can also help with sleep issues. Page turning. Repetitive sounds are included in the top 5 most popular triggers, according to one 2015 study trusted source. Page turning certainly falls into that category. The soft crinkling noises that newspapers, magazines, and books make can reportedly soothe symptoms of anxiety and leave you feeling super calm. Writing. Writing sounds can provoke a strong tingling sensation. Some say they can also send a person to sleep. ASMR video creators often opt for one of two tools: pens that produce a scratchy sound or softer pencils. Typing. Typing ASMR can either send you to sleep or assist with concentration. Often, different keyboards are used to create varying sounds. Acrylic nails can heighten the sensations. Crinkling. Similar to page turning, listening to the crinkling of paper or plastic sounds can elicit relaxation, helping you de-stress. Humming. For some, the sound of a person humming is an annoyance. For others, it acts like a nighttime lullaby. You'll have to figure out which side of the fence you fall on. Ear brushing. Makeup brushes make the perfect ear brushing ASMR technique. Whether it's a small eyeshadow brush, a larger kabuki design, or even the bristles of a shaving brush, the sounds can be super calming to listen to. Hair play. Having your hair played with is relaxing in real life, so it makes sense that watching and listening to it can provoke the same response. Hair play ASMR involves a number of tools, from fingers running through strands to the bristles of hairbrushes. Massage. Watching someone massage another person can result in the typical ASMR tinkles, whether it's a deep head massage or a back massage involving oil. Certain words. Interestingly, some words can trigger a sleepy ASMR response. Words with the letters S, P, and K tend to be used and whispered due to the calming sounds they produce. But some words can remind you of a past memory, prompting positive feelings. Personal attention. To relieve stress and ensure a good night's sleep, personal attention ASMR videos can help. The creator makes direct eye contact with the camera, placing their hands near the lens, as if they were touching your face. They also speak in a relaxing and welcoming tone. Role play. Role play ASMR involves putting yourself front and center in a typically relaxing scenario. Think hair salon or spa and you're on the right track. However, some acts involve more niche environments, like a mock tattoo parlor or surgery. No matter which one you choose, they're all designed to de-stress. Eye contact. This ASMR trigger is all about long-lasting direct eye contact, giving viewers a sense of intimacy and companionship. The bottom line. With millions of ASMR videos in existence, the phenomenon is a growing part of modern culture. But the tingling and relaxation is never guaranteed. So, whether you want to search for your individual triggers or give up on the entire concept. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Knowledge Builder.